Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be bringing you this beautiful custom wig, and guess what? I made it with the Janet Collection DIY wig kit. Yes, everything you need to make a wig like this is in this box except the color. Okay, disclaimer, no color in the box. But yeah, everything you need is in. The mannequin is not in there as well. They do have a kit that comes with the mannequin, but this kit that I bought didn't come with one. This is just the wig kit, but they have a mannequin kit as well. Yeah, they got everything you need in there, so make sure y'all check that out, because I know a lot of people on a budget, because if you're in New York, you've been in the house for like 3 months. Almost 3 months. I don't know, I lost track. But yeah, we kind of stuck in the house, people not working, so I know people on a budget, so you know this is a little cost effective. The hair is like so soft, I love it. Yeah, so just stay tuned so y'all can see, you know what I mean, get the tea on how to, you know what I mean, fleek the asymmetrical bob, you know what I mean. Stay tuned. This is the Janet Collection Easy DIY Customized Wig Kit. It literally comes with everything you need, but you have to have your own scissors, but besides that, it literally has everything. So you can get a frontal or you can get a closure. It comes with 3 bundles as well. You can get black or you can get blonde. They have body wave and straight, I believe. They also have a kit that comes with a mannequin. This box doesn't come with the mannequin, but if you do buy the mannequin, this is what it looks like. When you open it, you can see it comes with the frontal and the 3 bundles. I got 12, 14, and 16 inches and the little tool kit. So this is a temple frontal, which means that it does go all the way across the hairline, but there's no space for parting on the sides. It's like a 4x4 closure with like frontal vibes. Like you can still use it as a frontal, but you just can't do parting on the side. But yeah. The toolkit includes a mesh dome wig cap. And you also get a pack of the Isha rosehip oil, which I love. This is the Isha Absolute Lace Wig Glue. Your toolkit comes with 2 duck clips. Also includes 3 combs that you can attach to your wig if needed. And it comes with a box of T-pins that has 2 needles in it. And of course, some thread. So right out of the box, the hair is very soft and shiny. So far, there's no signs of shedding, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started sewing on the frontal and then sewing in the bundles. I definitely recommend that you cut off some of the lace from the back of the frontal, because it is like a rectangle or like a square, so it's just easier if you cut off a little bit. Now that I have the frontal sewed on, I'm going to go ahead and start sewing the tracks into a U shape until I get about halfway. And then at that point, I'll be sewing straight across. For the first track on the bottom, I'm going to bring that all the way up to the closure so there's like no gaps. And And then I'm gonna sew everything in a U shape without connecting to the frontal. Just gonna leave like a little bit of space to cover up between the frontal and the tracks. And then once I get halfway up, I'm just gonna be sewing straight across and connecting to the cap. You can see here that once you've gotten to the crown area that you actually just started sewing straight across instead of a U shape. And it's very easy because the way the closure is shaped, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Okay, so this is what it's given right off the jump. Now let's go get her ready. So I'm gonna be cutting it into an asymmetrical bob using only shears. Sometimes I do like to use razors or clippers on my bobs, but today I'm only using shears. I want to do a point cut because I kind of want it to be like I want it to be blunt, but not like blunt, like shaggy. Hi, Kelly. Nah, for real. But I did cut this hair on dry hair, and that's optional. If you're inexperienced, I would recommend that you wet the hair first and then cut it. It makes it a lot easier. And now for the fun part, the painting. Today I'm using Kiss colors, their Temptation line. I use Atomic Pink, and I think I mixed it with Hawaiian Punch or something like that, some kind of punch. And I have an orange color and electric yellow and indigo blue. I believe those are the colors, but I'm not exactly sure what the name of the colors are. But most of the colors I did blend together a little bit to make my own custom colors, except the yellow. The electric yellow is the only one that I use straight out of the bottle. I use foil in between to keep the colors from bleeding into each other. If you know the color wheel, you know that yellow and purple cancel each other out, which means that when you mix them together, they're not cute. Okay, so I really wanted to protect that yellow. I didn't really mind about the other colors touching as much, but yeah, the yellow, I definitely had to try to protect that. Guys, watercoloring is so easy, but hand painting for me is just so much fun and it's so therapeutic. Like, I just love to paint. I actually do paint on paper, but I love coloring hair as well. Now you can just sit back, chill, and watch the sunset. I do like the way the color came out, but it wasn't exactly how I expected it. I feel like I should have used more indigo, the blue color, and brought it down just a smidget, just to get the effect that I wanted. But it was my first time doing sunset hair, so next time I'll be a little less dramatic. But yeah, it came out cute though. Alright guys, we're getting close to the end. As I finish up this painting, while I'm letting the color set in, I'm going to start applying my ball cap. Make sure you protect your edges, sis, and clean your skin first. Just going to use a wig stocking cap. I'm going to cut 2 ear holes on the side. Then I'm going to be using some spray to spray down my cap, and make sure you blow dry that. After blow drying, just gonna go in with some small scissors or a razor and cut off the excess cap because you don't need that. And any frayed edges, you could just either use some Gotta Be gel and gel that down, or cut it off. Make sure your cap is completely dry before applying makeup. And voila, this is what it should look like. And here she is. It came out so pretty, guys. I love it. I love the vibrancy of the colors. And now you're just gonna see me here blow drying it out. After I get the hair completely dried, I am gonna go in with some lace tint spray, and I'm just gonna use that to tint the lace. Also, if you have any spots near the knots or the roots that didn't get colored, the lace tint spray should help you kind of blend that all together or camouflage it, because you don't want to have like colorful hair and then have white hair at the bottom near the roots. Also, if you use lace tint spray, be sure to blow dry it really good, because if it's wet, like, it will drip down your face and you don't want it to bleed onto your color. Here's the final look. I'm just loving this, y'all. So after I styled and applied the cap, it actually fit perfectly. I didn't have to use any glue, so I'm wearing it as a glueless unit. I just applied it with hairspray. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be a part of the Love Squad. And make sure you share this with as many family and friends as possible. I appreciate all the love I've been getting so far. And yeah, just thank you for watching. Until next time, peace and love.